Yeah, before answering few more questions, helping on the setup, let me explain you few more techniques. So one is what you can do. You go to 1 hour time frame and you set up the alerts, right? You set up the alerts on buy and sell for all the tickers. You can set it up on beta algo, or you can set it up on top trend or beta algo. Do the buy and sell. So generally, for example, you receive a buy alert on 1 hour time frame. That means it will go on for minimum few hours. If you receive a sell signal, it will go down. Or if you receive a buy signal on 1 hour, it will keep going up. Whenever you receive a notification, you can go to your Ninja Trader and you can enable Prism. Right? For example, you let us say you got a buy. Let me write this. Let us say you got the buy or strong buy signal. So here you got some time, and then it keep on going up from nearly 25.50 until 26.15. It keep on going up. So whenever you receive a buy signal in 1 hour time frame, then you go to your Ninja Trader, set it on 5 minutes, and you use long only option. So because 1 hour is a very strong signal, once it gives a 1 hour buy signal, it keeps on going up. So as long as it keeps on going up, you can make nice profits on the long only. The same way, so whenever you receive a sell signal, now you can enable short only on 5 minutes. Prism short only on 5 minutes. Right? That is one way you can use the Prism algo. You look for the 1 hour signals. Whenever you see a 1 hour buy signal, enable long only whenever you see a 1 hour sell signal. So you create notifications in the trading view. Whenever you receive the notification, you enable the algos in the Ninja Trader. Then algo will take care of buy and sell. I mean, that is one technique which I want to share. The second thing is you can also do one more thing where you can go to, right, the swing indicator will also, there is one advantage with swing indicator along with beta price pulse. Swing will show whenever there is a range, right? For example, you don't want to see buy and sell, you can disable the swing buy swing sell. But generally this is also good, right? Even if you use swing buy swing sell also, right, especially with a 150K account, even swing indicator is also a good one. uh, but yeah, what I want to share is whenever, right, for example, this is a range, right? Price is consolidating in a small range, right? You can see two parallel lines here. Whenever it breaks that range, then it will start moving up. Again, it is consolidating here, right? If you see a red box, red zone, then whenever price drops that, it can drop. So you can use the same thing in 5 minutes time frame or 10 minutes time frame. In any time frame, you can use the swing indicator. Swing indicator, whenever price is in a box, that means it is choppy. It is just moving in a small direction, in a small range. Then you can avoid taking any signals as long as it is in a box. Or if it is in a box, don't go with a 5 minute time frame. Go with a 1 minute or 2 minute time frame. So that otherwise, right, if you wait for a buy signal, it might be too late. By the time you get a buy, it will start coming down. So if it is in a box, avoid the trades. And whenever it breaks above the box, right? For example, if it breaks above the box, then it can go all the way till the resistance. Or let us say it breaks below the box, then it will go all the way till the next support. So it will tell you when the price is in a choppy zone, right? If you want to buy some stocks. Also, if it is in a choppy zone, whenever it breaks that zone, that consolidation zone, then it can move up. If it goes below the zone, there is no consolidation here. Here there was a consolidation. It was in a small, right? This is called as a squeeze. It was in a squeeze, 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 squeeze. The squeeze got released and then stock came down so much. So whenever a stock is in squeeze for a long time, for a few hours, then whenever it comes below the box, there will be a big drop. Or you may see a squeeze, right? It can be on 1 hour, it can be on daily time frame, whatever it is. Whenever there is a lot of squeeze and suddenly the squeeze releases, there will be either a big upside movement or a big downside movement. You can see MSTR. MSTR was in squeeze, squeeze, squeeze. Suddenly it came out of the box. Then immediately it moved from $130 to $142. It went to the resistance, again dropped. Again, it will consolidate for some time. Again, it can go up or go down. So this that range will help you. Whenever it is within the box, avoid the trades. Whenever it goes above, take calls. Whenever it goes below, buy puts. In that way, you can make nice profits. Right? You can use in any time frame. Same thing here. For example, now let us take some examples. Zoom. It was in some consolidation. Right? Generally, if it is red, that means it can drop. Higher chances for a drop from the box. It consolidated for a few minutes and then it dropped all the way. And then you got a buy signal. And also, whenever, right, this is where you got a buy signal and also a strong buy. You are getting both of them at same time.
I don't think I have that swing indicator, Kumar Kishore.
Maybe log out and log in and try.
Okay, let me check.
So, right, and whenever you get both the signals, generally that is also very, that means your buy signal is looking like, for example, 4 or 5 conditions. Strong buy is looking at 6 or 7 conditions. So at same time, both both the algos are giving, right, within the beta algo, you have one set of code for buy, one set of code for strong buy. If you are getting both buy and strong buy or sell and strong sell at same time, that is also generally a good uh, right. And if it is close to the support, if you see this one, right, it is very close to the support, right? The label is exactly on the support. In the same way, uh, if you get a sell and strong sell close to the resistance, that is very good signal. Uh, so here also you got a strong buy and strong buy at the same time, right? The line turned to green, line turned to green. It moved all the way up. There is a high possibility for a sell here, right? So why there is a high possibility? Because if you go to right in 5 minutes, you can see the resistance. If I go to 1 hour also, I can see there is a strong resistance. So when in 1 hour and 5 minutes, if there is a resistance, generally that will be very, very strong. So if ZS goes all the way here, then it can again drop.
Yeah.
But we'll
But we
wait
need
for
to wait until T12 is turned red,
right,
right?
right, yeah. We have to wait for this one to turn to red, this one to turn to red, and then the sell
Sure.
signal to appear. But these will give you an indication, these 1 hour, right? Where, so generally before the market open, I go to the 1 hour time frame, and generally whichever are bullish tickers, right? For example, crude oil is uh, okay. It is contract got changed. Let us say MET. MET, identify where you have the resistance in the beta algo, and then put your just mark it here, because whenever price comes here, there is very high possibility for a big drop. The same way, go to the this blue line and create a mark there. So whenever, so, and for example here there is nothing, so I can, if you have any previous support resistance, delete them. Right? It will take less than 5-10 minutes, but it will help you. So for
Right.
example, if price in 5 minutes, now whenever price comes to this point, there is very high possibility for a big move up. Or if price goes all the way here, there is very high possibility for a price to drop big. Like that, if you put those levels, right, just mark those levels, it went all the way here and then started dropping. Now delete this and then put a line here. So if price comes here, again it will bounce back. If price goes here, it will drop. So if you get a sell right now in 5 minutes, if price is close to this one, generally, right, you will avoid, because there is a 1 hour resistance. You can avoid the buy signals, right? If you know that when you mark it here, right? If you, as I said, you can also, if you want, you can just add a text here, 1 hour resistance, or you can put a different color for support and 1 hour support. So whenever price comes here, there is very high possibility for a big bounce. Whenever price goes here, or whenever you get a buy signal close to this one, avoid those buy signals, because this is very, very strong resistance. So only start taking, or whenever you know that, oh, I'm coming close to this resistance, now you go to prism and enable short only on the 5 minutes with RB, right? Because you know that this is a 1 hour strong resistance. Your price is right, it is in a range now, right? It is not able to break the resistance. It was just moving up and down, up and down. Buyers are trying to take it up, sellers are bringing it down, take it up, down, up, down, up, down. Finally, sellers took the control, started bringing the price down. So it is coming all the way down. It may come all the way here. So now when you are here, you can just go and enable the prism algo in the right short only prism algo. Then nicely you will make nice profits. You don't need to keep watching the chart. The same way, let us go to copper, right? Go to 1 hour and then put your markers. So if price is coming close to this, you go and enable long only on the prism. Right? If you don't want to keep watching the chart and manually take the trades, you are not able to control the emotions. You are not able to wait until you see a sell signal close to right. I do lot of scalping, but I don't want you to right follow the scalp right. Only if I'm taking a sell close to resistance, if I take a buy close to support, only take those trades, right? I'll also try to explain. But if I'm doing some quick scalping, right, I take 2-3 contracts with just a $50, $100 move, right? But as I told you, right, this is a technique where when something is bullish, for example, price, we know that we got a strong buy and buy signal. Price went up, came down, went up, came down, went up, will come down. So whenever it comes down, I'll try to do a quick scalp, right? Because whenever it comes touches this line again, right? Until it is close to the resistance, you can continue to keep doing it.
Okay.
Uh, for example, GC, right? You see some green candles, there'll be one or two red candles. Whenever you see red candle, you again, right? It touches this line, again it goes up, touches this line. So, but yeah, you need to practice, or you need to be very quick.
Right.
It is difficult to copy such type of scalping trades, because sometimes within few seconds I enter in, right? Especially with NQ silver, it will be very quick. I'll be doing so. You either you practice by yourself, or but don't try to copy those trades, because you may not get the exact right. The price
Right.
moves so fast. Yeah, that is one more. So two or three things I told today. One is,
Right.
if you are a new trader or you want low risk trades, always wait for a buy signal. Your buy, and if you also get a strong buy, generally that is a good opportunity. And also it should be close to a support, right? Here you have a support zone. Here you have a resistance zone. So if you get a sell signal, it should be very close to the resistance zone. For example, here you got a buy. It's not such a good opportunity, right? But if you get a buy here, it is a good opportunity, because it is very close to the support. Whenever price touch the support and then this red turns to green, generally that is a good opportunity.
Right.
So, or when you got a sell here, this is not a good opportunity, because there is no major resistance. But if price touches this resistance and then it drops, that is a good opportunity. So always look for buy close to the support, or there should be a major buy order block.
Mhm.
Sell should be close to the resistance. If you see these cells, these are right. There is nothing, no major resistance here. So better you avoid
Right.
such type of signals.
So that may reverse, but we need to wait for support to get
Right.
long,
Yeah.
and we need to wait for resistance to get short.
Right. So
So,
that.
question on Prism and Ninja trade, Kishore. I mean, I don't think I have Prism, but I have the Ninja trade installed on my machine. So, Prism, is there any installer somewhere?
Yeah, it is a separate indicator, right? With trading view, you'll get all these for indicators, which is for manual trading. For Ninja Trader, for the Prism Algo access, you need to pay additional $100. You will get Ninja Trader access
Ninja.
or
Okay, so for
Prism.
applicant to,
Yeah, not for Replicanter, but for the Prism Algo, which will automatically take the buy and sell. But you have to use those conditions.
okay,
So, all right. So again, I'm reminding everyone all the steps. So if you are a new trader or you are a low risk trader, wait for buy or strong buy close to support. Wait for sell close to the strong resistance. Otherwise, if you get anywhere else, just avoid those signals. So right, that is for the new or new traders who want to take low risk trading, who want to do low risk trading, retain their accounts, make $300-400 every day with each account of the Tradify. Then the second set of users who are experienced users, you can do the scalping, right? Always when you got a buy now, but you missed this buy signal, then you wait for the pullback, right? It went up, it came down, again it went up. So you wait for pullback, especially if you if you missed, or right, let us say you got a sell signal, you missed this sell signal. Generally, whenever you see a sell signal, always it is also good to wait for the first retest of this line. It will come down, touch the line, again come down, touch the line, again come down, touch the line. So until it is close to the support, wait for the pullbacks and you can re-enter. So generally you will receive a sell, again there will be a small pullback, again there will be a big top. So waiting for the first retest of this line is always a good opportunity. So if you see most of the signals, generally it will uh, for example, you got a buy, there will be a retest, and yeah, most of the times there will be a pullback and then it will keep going up.
So is Prismalgo integrated with Ninja Trader, Kishore?
Right, yeah.
Okay. So that will, if I do long only, then that will it will buy and sell on its own.
Yeah, it will buy and then it won't open a short positions. It will only do the long positions.
Long positions. Okay. But it will close the positions or it will keep it open?
It will close the positions.
Close the positions. Okay.
So the
Like when exactly is it going to close the position? Like do I set
whenever
the
whenever
amount?
you get a sell signal, it will close the position. Whenever you get a buy signal, it will
Oh,
open a position.
it will keep it open until it's get the okay. That's yeah. I would like to get access to that too. But before that, we need to set up Ninja Trader, right?
Right, yeah.
For Prismal, and that can combine with Tradify account, or do I need to have my personal trading account?
No, you can combine with trading.
Okay, fine.
Yeah. So for example, now we got a buy signal with this one. So when you go right now, we are close to a support zone, and we got a buy signal. This line is green. This line is green. Now you go to 1 hour and see whether in 1 hour it is in the buy or not. So if you go to 1 hour, you can see that this line is green, right? It went above the line. That means there is a high possibility for YM to go all the way to the top. So it is a good opportunity, right? Whenever you want to take a 5 minute signal, it is also good to check the higher time frame. If your higher time frame is also looking good, then generally there is a high possibility for the price to go up. So now I can go and I can enter in long position. Right. So the other technique, other tip I suggested is always look for this range. Whenever price is in a range, you can avoid, and if price goes above the range, then it is a good opportunity, right? That means the price it is called as a breakout. It is breaking out the consolidation, and there can be a big move. The same way, this is a breakdown. So you can enable the swing indicator if you want. You can just go and you can disable the tables, and you can disable the swing buy swing sell so that you don't see too many buy and sells, right? So now if I so there is a high possibility for this one, right? Because everything is green here, that means there is a lot of bullish momentum and it is breaking the range. So there is a high possibility for it to go up. But again, right, in the morning time, volume will be more. It can quickly move to the targets. Now it will be very slow, but still it is looking a good opportunity. Right. So one tip is using this range box from the swing indicator. When it is within a range, avoid the trades. When it is breaking out of the range, you take the trades. That is
Okay.
the first tip. Second tip is always always do a buy close to a support, do a sell close to the resistance if you want a low risk trades. The third tip is if you are an experienced trader, where you can take the trades in the pullbacks. When you have lot of red candles, there are one or two green candles, and there is no support close by. When you see a green candle, again you can enter short here like that. So now I took long on this one on the RTY because it is trying to break the range and trying to go up. 1 hour is also looking good. 1 hour also it is looking bullish, right? Or you can enable prism on YM. You can go enable it on. Let me show
So,
you, right, for all the members. Let me show you once. Screen. For example, here I can go duplicate a new tab. Now I will give YM. I can put some stop loss and I can select long only. I can select one of the accounts enabled, apply. So now whenever there is a buy signal, automatically it will take, right? Because in 1 hour it is in a mm, mm, so yeah, in top trend in the 1 hour it is in a buy signal. It it is moving up. So there is a high possibility for it to go by tomorrow. We may see 42 to 40. So if you don't want to keep watching the screen, just you watch the 1 hour. Whenever you see a buy signal, then you go to your indicator and you just enable. So it will take long only trades, and then that account will copy the trades into all the other accounts.
okay, yeah, because the account you have selected is the leader account.
Right. Yeah. So in that way, right? For example, now I can do the same thing, right? I can go to 1 hour and I can see like which of them are in the buy signal. For example, this is in buy, but it is already moved so much, right? It is close to the resistance now. So if there is a buy recently, right? For example, here you got a buy and then it moved so much. Immediately after the buy, if we can enable it, now it is close to a resistance. ZM is close to a resistance. ZL is also, it will move a little bit up and then it will drop. Yeah, basically, whenever you receive a sell signal, if you can go and enable the short on it, then yeah, there is a possibility for it to come all the way till here, and then again it will start going up. So yeah, that is one more technique you can use. So you don't need to manually keep watching the charts.
Okay.
Yeah, now let me stop sharing and
Yeah. Yep. Let me start sharing and then we can do the Ninja Trader setup for replicants.
yeah. Uh,
I'm first time using this tool. Not so familiar with this. There's so many windows.
so you you already installed the Ninja Trader using those.
So with our trading view, with trading view, I think we have got the with that Revodate software. When you see the view simulation, so at the same time you can install the MSI also. So it comes with the MSI for this installer, TradingView installer, sorry, Ninja Trader installer. So here this thing was available on the Tradovate website. So when we create the TradingView account, and after that we link it with the Tradovate, right? So at that time it shows us that it's available. So let me show everyone. So this is
Uh,
our Tradovate, and here you see download the desktop platform. I install it from here.
yeah, okay, good. And did you add the license?
No, I have not because I don't have the license.
I think Tradify might give you the license. I think.
Tradify will give me. Okay. Okay. So maybe this let's check here if it has come from come with the
But
license
you can go to connections,
connections.
go to tools, options, go to multi-provider, the checkbox, enable the checkbox, multi-provider checkbox. Yeah, say apply. Yeah, okay. Say okay. Go to connections.
It says I need to restart.
No need.
Ninja. No.
Yeah, click on configure. Yeah. Scroll down that one and add Ninja Trader. Yeah. Click on add on the left side, or double click on the Ninja Trader. Yeah. Now you name that connection name as Tradify. Yeah. In the username and password, you copy the username and
Tradify.
password.
Okay.
You now go to connections and switch on that. Yeah. Click on that. Yeah. And now you will have all those accounts. So if you take any trades, then Go to accounts. Yeah. Now you have your Tradify account here.
Okay. And I can add a new one. So let's say, I mean, if I buy a new Tradify account, then I can add a new one here.
No, automatically everything will come. If you add any new Tradify accounts, they will appear here.
Okay.
You have to just stop the connection and restart it. If you buy new Tradify, because the username password will be same.
Okay, yeah, that's right. Username password is same. It will keep on adding here. So I don't need to do anything, right? I mean, I don't need to select or deselect anything. It will
Yeah,
just
that's
automatically take care of it.
right.
And then once I get the Prism logo, then
Yeah. Then you have to go to new, click on chart. Yeah, select any chart. Select futures, and then you can add NQ or ES or something. It should be December. Just in the instrument, just type NQ because now September is expired, so you have to use December contracts. In the instrument, yeah, type NQ.
and so it's four.
Yeah, select NQ now. Second one. Right,
This
yeah, no, yeah, December is fine. Say okay. Yeah. So that September one you can remove, but yeah, because you selected both, that's why it is.
okay.
If you want, you can use 5 minutes and 5 minutes on one and 1 minute on one. Yeah, you can go back to that. Right click data series. Go to data series and yeah, delete one of those. Yeah, remove. Click on the remove button at the bottom. So now you have to yeah. Oh, you will open charts like this, and then you have to add that software. Once you get the access, you can add the software, and then you can take buy and sell.
Okay. So that software is, I mean, where do I add it?
Yeah, you have to yeah add it from the control center. Right. Once you get the access, in the next setup session, I'll help you to
Sure.
install that.
Okay. But we have taken care of the replicant stuff, right? So I mean, I can keep adding uh, accounts and that will be replicated here.
Right. Yeah, that is right. If you use replicanter, then once you take trades in one, it will copy to all the others.
For the others. And I don't need to keep everything open, right? Because it opens so many things. So maybe I can close
No, you can close
the
everything.
stuff.
Just you can keep only one chart and
Control center. Okay.
right. Yeah,
Or maybe chart if I'm using the Prism.
right. Yeah. Okay, Akhil. Let me help other members. There are a few more
Yeah.
members who have some questions.
Yeah. No, thank you so much. I really appreciate it, Kishore. Thank you. Let me stop sharing so that others can take help.
Yeah. Uh,
Stop sharing.
Hey Kishore,
yeah. Hi, Subbu. So I hope
quick,
you
quick.
already have a swing indicator access, right?
Yes. So, okay, couple of things. Okay, yeah. Can I share my screen? That will be easier.
Yeah.
Um,
Let me
Let me
make it.
share my screen. That will be easier. One thing we have to do the
I'll answer all the questions one by one.
yeah, yes. Let's do one at a time. Okay. So this one, I think I have a Tradovate account. This one is connected to Tradify. But if I have what you call Apex account, other account, so how do I switch between them? Or are it better to put all in a replicant account?
Yeah, if you have Replicanto, then it will make easy. If you are watching for a perfect setup and taking, then that will help you to make the profit on all accounts at one time.
Yes, that's a definitely that's we have to do. And then before I go there, you are showing the range, like the range. So which one was that in
Right.
indicator?
Got a swing
Let me see.
indicator. You can disable, yeah,
Okay.
yeah. Uptrend also you can disable. Now, yeah,
Okay.
add the swing indicator,
Uh,
swing, RC swing.
swing is IND, right? Okay.
Right. Yeah, go to the settings. If you don't want to see the buy sell, you uncheck the buy and sell. Because
Uh,
if you have too many buy and sell from different, you may get
this
confused.
swing by swing cell, this one.
Right. Yeah, you can disable them
Okay.
and then come down. You can also, if you don't want to see the table, you can disable the table.
Which one? The
Tables.
table's
Yeah.
bottom.
Right.
Okay.
Yeah.
For this
See
table.
that.
Okay. Yeah. I think. Yeah. Okay.
Yeah. That background also, you don't need background
This
color.
background color. Yes. Yes. Yeah. Yes. Okay.
Yeah, all your mainly we need range top, range bottom, so that will
Yes.
help you to know when it is consolidating. Whenever that consolidation is over, either to the upside or downside, that will make nice profits for stocks
This
or
one,
for
this range bottom. This is the one you are talking about, right?
right. Yeah, all right.
Yes.
Yeah,
Okay.
say
Say save as
yeah.
default.
Say okay.
Say okay. So now, so this is the one is the
Now,
range.
right, gold is in a range now. Either
This
it
range.
should go above the range or it should go below the range.
So this is the line we are talking about. Line, this line and this green
That
line. Two
entire
colors.
box, yeah, you see that entire green box,
This,
right?
the green box, entire green box.
Right. So it is moving in a small range. Generally, when it is moving in a small range,
Mm-hmm.
not a very good opportunity. Either it should go below the box or it should go above the box.
Oh, okay. Okay. Got it. Got it. So this
Then,
will the box will show only when I have a swing indicator. I have
right.
to
Yeah.
turn that on and see whether it's within the range of this one to find out.
Right.
Okay.
If it is
Got
within the range, avoid taking the trades. If it goes
it.
below the range or if it goes above the range, that is the best time. It will
Okay.
make a big move.
Okay, got it. Now, yeah, that's the one thing. And the second one is since we added all account in the Ninja Trader, but I want to have the replicant set up, Kishore.
Yeah, sure. You don't have the license, right, for replicant?
No, I don't think so. I think we haven't done that one yet. So should I, what is that we should do for that?
One is you can get a 1 week trial access. You can go to the Flowbots website. You can get a trial access, or yeah,
Let's go
for
ahead
one
and
week.
go ahead and do that one, Kishore. Anyway, it's a very useful tool. Let's do that way.
Right.
Okay. So what should I do to get that one there?
I'll send you the steps for that
Mm-hmm.
because that will take 20-30 minutes now.
Okay.
Or I can help you tomorrow evening.
Yeah, either
But
way is
yeah,
fine. Yeah, send me the steps. If I'll try my best to get it done. If not, I
yeah,
think yeah, that's the
right.
easiest, best way. Yes.
Sure, sir. I'll send you the video, which will
Yeah.
give you all the step-by-step instructions, how to install, how to use it, how to
Sure.
set up.
Sure. So that way I
Any,
can
right. Any other questions about?
pretty much that's all, Kishore. So yeah, so in case if I want to, this one is my Apex account is only 50K account. So should I use the same replicant or just do it separately? Is that any way I can do it separately? That pro forma account?
Sorry, can you
This
repeat your question?
these
So
accounts
just
are
a minute.
100.
Yeah. YM
This
YM made nearly $80+ with two contracts. So can you go to YM?
YM. Okay, so here, right?
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay.
So you took little late.
Which one that?
No, no. What I'm saying is now it went outside the box,
Correct.
right?
Correct. Yeah. So
So
right.
there
Right.
is a high possibility for the price to go all the way to the top.
Okay. Okay.
So yeah, this is how you can write this swing indicator along with the beta will be useful.
Oh, okay. Very good. Very good. I think, yeah, I think when you said, I took the trade. So yeah, I
Right,
think
right.
you are right. I think I when the GC was in within the range, I didn't realize that. I think let me show you. I think it's good for everybody. I think they can learn what is GC. Yeah. What?
You can sort by symbol. Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. Right. I think I think the evening I was trying to do something. When I did something, I didn't know that range. I took some time within a fraction of a second. It was going up and down, so it was very difficult to follow through. So this
Right.
was
Yeah.
like, yes, yes,
Yeah.
this range
Whenever
was
they are in a small range, we cannot make nice profits
correct,
because it
correct.
is just moving up and down, up and down. So can you go to NQ?
NQ, okay. Here, right? Yeah, so they're
Right.
also
Yeah.
in the range.
Yeah. There also we can see that right today, like last half an hour, 1 hour, it was in a small range.
Mm,
Right, that box from
correct.
nearly 130 to 3. So
Mm,
it is very risky to trade because there is no trend there. Either if it is uptrend or downtrend, we can make money.
mm,
But
mm,
when the price is just consolidating up and down, up and down, up and down, that is very
mm.
risky to take the trades. So if it
Oh,
goes
okay.
above, then again it can make nice money. Right now it is going above the box.
Correct, 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 correct.
So
Okay.
there is a high possibility for it to go all the way till 760 or so.
764 up to here. Okay. So this is the place I'm talking about. Okay. Okay.
Right. So we
Yeah.
need to wait for price to break above or break below. Then
Mm.
if it goes above the box, go and take the long. If it breaks below the box, go and take a short.
Okay,
Wait
got
for
it. Got it.
right. Don't just look at the wick. Right. Your body should be above the box.
Mm.
So
This one, okay. This
yeah,
above the box. Everything should be above the box. Okay.
yeah.
Mm.
That entire body, if it is above the box, that is a good opportunity that
So
can
this
go up.
case, the from the second one from the right side is the right, perfect right, right?
Right. Yeah.
Mm. Yeah,
So
sure.
even if you want to buy QQQ calls, right? If you buy something when it is in the box, then all your premiums will be just decayed
Mm.
because the price is just going up and down.
Correct.
But
Okay.
when it
Okay.
goes above, there can be a big move.
Oh, okay. Got it. Got it. Got it. Got it. Mm.
So yeah, during the working hours, you can see the perfect right how it can
Okay. So
yeah
that's
make.
very good indication. Yes. Swing indicator. Okay. Good. Yeah, that's all. I think. Okay. Sure. I think. So in that case, that 50K account probably like when we is that the same trade we can take with them when we put a replicant or do it separately that account because small account, right?
Yeah, generally what you can do, you can set up in Replicanto. When you are taking one mini, you can say that take two micros or 3 micros in the Apex account. You can
Mhm.
configure Replicanto like that.
Now, my question was like in the trade of it, how do I switch that account here? Is there any way I can switch or
You have
now
to
this
go log out of
oh,
trader. Yeah, no, go
this
to
one?
trader weight. No, not there. The trader weight
Okay.
drop down. Trader weight
Trade of
drop
it.
down. Go little
This
bit
one,
up.
right? Here.
Yeah, little left. You see the trader
Left.
weight
Okay.
drop down.
Yes,
Yeah,
yes, yes. Oh, here you can switch that one.
log out.
Okay, got it. Okay, then you
Now
got you can bring the
again,
other account.
again click on trader weight, and now you have to give Apex
Apex
credentials.
account. Oh, okay, okay. So that's a switch there. Okay, got it. Okay. Let me yeah, because we are in this call, let me do one thing here. This one, when I said Tradify, it asked me, what is Tradify?
No, there is no Tradify. You have to click on the trader weight and give the Tradify credentials.
Okay, so let's do that.
Click on trade of it.
This one, okay. Trade of it. Okay.
Now give that Tradify.
So here, when I give this account, this is the Tradify account. It says demo account. I don't know, should put a live or just demo only?
Demo is fine, yeah.
Demo is fine. Okay, so I was thinking this morning it was demo. I don't know if it's real time or I'm not sure. So, okay, got it. Yeah, that's all, Kishore, from my side.
Sure.
Okay, thank you. Thank you.
Yeah, hi, Sid. Do you have any questions, Sid? Hey, Mukesh, do you have any questions? I gave the access to those indicators. Mukesh, you have to log out and log in.
Yeah, sure. Yeah, thank you. Like, for Replicanto and Ninja Trader, like, I can download and then I will send you. Like, can you also send me the video, like how to set up this Replicanto and
Yeah,
Telegram? Yeah, and I just log. I got the new indicators which you have shared. Like, is there any settings I need to do? Like, can I use the just default settings for
No,
those
all are
tables?
default settings for beta and all those. Yeah, TA2, everything is default. You don't need to make any changes.
Okay, sure. Yeah, like after I got the other access after I install, and then if I have any questions, I will talk in next setup session.
Sure.
Yeah, thank you.
Okay. Yeah, sure. Do you have any questions?
Yeah, Kishore. One second. Let me share my screen. Can you please grant me share access?
Yeah.
Can you see my screen now?
No, I cannot. Mm.
Okay. Can you see it now?
Yeah.
Yeah. So I don't see the order blocks like or the flow blocks. Only the top.
You have to use price pulse.
I
I
think
think that is.
I don't see that here.
Okay, give me your username one more time.
Okay.
Go to that top left corner. Shiva Kumar underscore. So this made a YM made more than $110. Yeah, I gave the. No, no. You already have access to price pulse. Can you go to indicators? I think you are looking in favorites. You have to go to invite only.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, you already have. Yeah. You can hide the price pilot and you can.
Okay. Yeah. My next question is here. Actually, this replicanto is saying that is giving me some error. Like when I try to log in, I think it says some license error.
Do you have a trial plan or what plan you have?
I sent you $100. I don't know. You granted me the access.
Okay.
So
Is your mission ID changed by any reason?
no, the same one.
No, this is Artrader Pro, right?
Yeah.
Is the problem with Replicanto or which one you are having problem?
No, problem with Replicanto. I want to show the error. That's why I'm logging in here, so I can relog into Ninja and then show you the error. Yeah, I'm getting this error. So are you familiar with this one?
Yeah, I think maybe your mission ID might have changed. Say okay. Go to your Ninja Control Center. Go to help. No. Maximize this.
Oh, sorry.
Maximize.
Okay, yeah.
Go to help.
Sorry.
You have help menu, right? Click on the help after connections at the top. Help
This,
after connection.
yeah. No, because I'm sharing. This is blocking me to.
Yeah, go to third-party licensing.
Third-party licensing. Okay.
Enter flowbots there. F capital. LOW. B capital. OTS. And put the same, right, whatever generally you use, your last name or. Yeah. Did you give any copy that? Paste it in the Zoom chat. So did you use the same last name last time?
Yeah, same thing. I added one later, but it's the same thing. I think I used last time also.
Right.
Or if you want to search, my last name is Anumodu, except that. Yes.
Okay. Yeah, I think your mission ID got changed. Last time it was a different mission ID.
Okay.
So now I updated your mission ID in the backend.
Okay.
So now you can log out and log in, and you can access the Replicanto tool now.
Okay. Yeah. Thank you. I think
Sure.
that's all I have for now.
Okay.
Thank you, Kishore.
Hey Santosh, do you have a question?
Hi, Kishore. Mukesh again. Yeah, I can talk. Great.
Yeah, Kishore.
Yes, Santosh.
Okay, just one quick question. If you go to the settings, like how you just now showed in Prism, mine, I'm still having some issue with the RC buy sell aren't showing, and then some of the colors are not showing. Can I quickly share my screen and you can take a look?
Yeah,
Okay.
appreciate it. Yeah, if you are using Tradify 150K account, then you can trade minis. If you are using Apex 50K account, you can use micros, 2 or 3 micros.
Kishore, can you see the screen now?
Yeah, I can.
Okay, so I have everything set up as far as I see, like the 5-minute Heikin-Ashi, and then I have all the indicators here, but I don't have those. I put the one that we, showed in the previous videos. I'm not sure if I'm missing something, but even I notice I don't have some of those colors, those lines.
Go right click, indicators. You have to go to indicators.
Yes.
Go to right choice folder. I think you have to use RC beta. You have to import RC beta.
No, I was having a problem. Whenever I tried to do RC beta, it was giving me an error saying that
No,
because
you remove alpha and use beta, then it should be fine.
I remove alpha and try to do with beta.
Yeah.
Got it, got it. And then I still don't get that RC cells like you see here one, even though you had more. I see these
Don't see
lines
the
as these arrows up and down. Is that a buy sell or is it only going to take one here and that's it? Because it didn't even take this. Currently, right now, you have talked about YM. I turned it on, but it did not take any trade. So is there anything else missing or is just me removing alpha and adding beta? Is that all I need to do?
No, the indicators will not do anything for buy and sell. The indicators are only for manual trading,
Okay,
right? To understand when to enable the algo.
okay.
But yeah, because by the time you did already, it might be in a buy signal YM. So that's why whenever there is a next buy signal, it will take.
Okay, but it didn't. What I was trying to say, I'm not too sure if everything done correctly because the only buy sell was right here. This is the correct. This is the one, right? Based on this one, it's going to take the
Yeah.
buy and sell.
Yeah. Can you go to right click strategies? Because you kept a time there, 10 to 11:30, right? Prism, yeah. Now you kept the enable session 10 to 11:30. So it is only taking trades between the time.
Oh, that's why it doesn't even show the RC buys from the last.
Right.
Um,
After 11:30, it will not show anything.
okay,
So
okay.
now you have to
Yeah,
edit that.
that part I know how to remote and turn it back on. That's not a problem. I've attended other sessions. I know that part.
Right.
That's
So
why
in
just
the
quick.
small boxes also, you can see, right? Here in the left top, bottom left, you see that strategy run timing start 10 at the bottom. No,
Yeah,
yeah.
yeah, yeah. Oh,
So
that's right. That's
because
another way to make sure. Okay, I forgot to uncheck that box. And then I'll do another question, Kishore, just not necessarily. So when we're turning this, there's the ATM strategy, and then you also have the break even. Could I still let the software, turn on the orders? But if I have the ATM set up here, will it still take the based on the ATM if I have like a custom setup in here to do break even, so it moves my stock 20 points up? Will
yeah,
that still work?
yeah, it will work. Yeah, you
So
can
if
use
I
it
have it
here.
set up here and then I
Mhm.
turn on the strategy, then based on whatever happens here, it will still move the stop loss and everything else up and down. So that way, it even if the market moves out of our favor, suddenly it will at least book the profit that's already, once
Right.
it's moved up. That's still possible, right?
Yeah, you can do that. Yeah.
Okay, okay. Okay, sure. That's it. I'll try to remove alpha, try to do beta. If I have a problem, I'll message you. Thank you.
Yeah. You're so much. Hey, sir, do you have any other questions? Hey, PG.
Hi, Kishore.
Hey.
Nitesh.
Oh,
Yeah, please go ahead, PG.
Hey Kishore, I have a problem with not being able to see the fair value gaps.
Let me. Yeah, can you join as panelist and share your screen?
Yeah. Are you seeing my screen? No, right? Okay.
Mm.
Yes. All right. Let me know when you can see my screen.
Yeah, I can see now. Yeah.
Okay. So I have price pulse here, and I have the FVG enabled.
Okay, can you go to style, please? Style tab.
Okay.
Okay, select the tables. Yeah, make it as save as default.
Save.
No, in the defaults, yeah. Save that as default.
Okay.
Say okay.
Save as default. Okay.
I think you're not connected to any of the pay to wait plans, right? If you go to trading
Yeah, I
panel,
don't have TradeOvate. I do have the data coming from, so I pay for data from TradingView, but I don't have a TradeOvate plan.
are you paying for futures also, or are you paying only for stocks?
No, for futures.
Okay, if you're paying for futures, then you should see it. So, instance, can you click on the settings of price pulse? Go to settings one more time. Go to inputs. Yeah, scroll down. Okay. Can you delete and add it back? Delete the
The
price
price
pulse.
pulse? Yeah.
It will be right.
Yeah. Still doesn't.
When you open a new tab,
Yeah.
click on create new layout. Yeah, now add price pulse.
Okay, yeah. What happened?
Members, if you want, you can take profits on YM long. With 2 contracts, it made over $100 plus. Same thing. NQ also is looking good. NQ also broke the table. NQ also looking good for a long. Same thing. ES also. ES also moved above the table now. Can you go to something like NQ, crude oil, 5 some other tickers? No, I think now you are seeing here, right? Those you have fair value gaps. If you go a little bit above, you see the red fair value gaps.
This one?
Right. Yeah.
I think I see a few, but whenever you are presenting, I see a lot more data on your screen than I do. So I don't know if it is some setting or if I only get it if we have the trader weight account.
That might be one reason, one possibility. But reading panel, you don't have any trader weight accounts, right? With Apex or
No, I
Treasury.
don't. I don't. I only use Rhythmic.
You don't even have Tradify.
No.
Okay. Maybe check for some other tickers. I think most probably that's the only difference. Otherwise, it should work fine. Yeah, go to other features.
Which one?
Yeah, NKD or open NKD and see.
Because that seems to be very useful. I've actually made better trades whenever I see your screen.
That is very useful. Yeah, if you see those, if you get a buy signal and if you see a fair value gap, that is a very good opportunity.
Right.
Mm. Maybe we'll see if anyone else is having that issue. Maybe that might be the reason because as of now I'm connected to Tradify or Apex Trader. I don't see any issues.
Okay.
Sure.
Then
I have the similar issues. I mean, I see the indicators, but my screen is also, I mean, as I mentioned earlier, right? It's very different than yours. I don't see the timelines in the bottom. And also, I mean, it's very hard to follow when I look at my screen. But yeah, I'll second what I think PG was saying, that it's very easy to read and understand your screen when you're in session and you're sharing it versus looking at our trading view screen. I mean, my trading view screen. Maybe it's a display settings that.
I think it's more of trading view setup issue. Yeah, display settings with trading view, but
PG, can you click on the settings? You see below the 36260, there's a setting button on the timeline bar, right hand side, bottom right. Yep,
This
right.
one?
Yeah. So what do you see there? If you okay, can I compare? I have the regular checked as well, percent, and then columns plus button. I have everything like that, but I don't see this 1300, 1400, 1500, 1800, those timelines.
Or along the bottom here?
Yeah.
Oh,
that is generally a default setting. You don't
right.
need to. That comes by default.
Okay. Yeah, I don't know why it's not there in my trading view.
But yeah, PG, I'll I'll also try to check with other users if anyone else having right, if they are connected to the accounts, if they are having this issue, because work in the same way. Maybe delete, try to log out, log in, and try to check.
Yeah, I've actually tried all. I mean, even today I logged out and logged back in, all that. Just as well. I mean, if it is a TradeAway thing, then I can stop paying TradingView and just get a TradeAway account just for that data.
Yeah, I think yeah, and also, or you can get a Tradify, so you can also make money on that directly. You'll get the data and also, or yeah, you can get Apex, some small account also, Apex
Right,
Trader with or some account with paying some.
right.
Most probably that is the only data, right? Settings wise, everything is looking same. When most of the other users are able to see, only one or two users are having this issue. Maybe if they're also not using a trader weight, that might be the reason. But yeah, I'll check and I'll let you know in the tomorrow session.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah. Hey, Abhinav, do you have any questions?
Hi, Kishore. Kishore, I think I actually have TradeAway and I also have data subscription from TradingView. And I see it in the TradingView, this thing also, those fair value gaps. I think what Santosh was referring to was maybe if you're in 1 minute time frame, you will see more fair value gaps, right? It
Sorry,
can be,
can you repeat that? What was the last statement?
sorry, can you hear me now?
Yeah, I can hear you, but I missed your last statement.
Maybe because you were shifting between time frames, so 1 minute, 2 minutes, 3 minutes. So if you go to 1 minute, you might see more fair value gaps.
But he's not seeing anything, right? Even if I stay in 5 minutes, also I can see multiple fair value gaps. But yeah, in his charts, other than one chart, we are not seeing the fair value gaps in others.
Um, I I don't know if it's an issue with TraderView because I have both TraderView and TradingView data, both and get it in both. So I don't know if
Mm,
that helps. So it's
right.
okay.
Yeah, we'll try to debug that.
Kishore, can you see my screen?
Yes.
Okay. I am getting this message while I was trying to set up Prism. I'm getting this error notification.
What plan you have?
399 plan. Kishore.
Mm, the Prism is not only for few members initially who joined. We gave them
Yeah,
Prism access with
yeah. I
399.
joined like almost 6 months back.
Yeah, okay. Then you send me your machine ID. Then
Uh, okay. So company center and where? How do I send you?
I think few members are suggesting PG to change your colors of fair value gap in settings. Maybe because of the internet speed issue, you are not displaying those fair value gaps. If you change them to a light color or something, you may see those fair value gaps.
Okay, I'll give that a shot. Thank you.
Yeah.
Kishore, how do I send you that
Go to help,
help?
third party licensing, and here enter right choice advisors as vendor name, R capital, IGHT, choice C capital,
Okay. I see.
advisors, VISORS.
Correct. This is correct, right?
It is very small, I cannot read it, but ADVISORS.
ADVISORS. Yes. Okay.
Yeah, internet.
This can be okay.
Click on submit. Copy that and
Should I
paste
put this
it.
in the chat?
Yeah.
You want me to put it in the chat, Kishore?
Yeah, please do. Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, I shared it, Kishore.
Yeah, I got it. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, now you should be able to use it.
Or should I input it again, Kishore?
Yeah, no need. If you already have it, then you can say okay.
Okay. Let me see if I can access it. I don't see it here. Maybe it was removed, Kishore. I have to re-import, I think.
Yeah, if you removed, then you re-input.
And I did not remove because I think the license expired, it automatically got removed.
Yeah, you have to log out and log in, then you.
But if I have to download it, it is from here only, Kishore. Like,
Yeah, from the Google Drive. Yeah.
this
Algos. Yeah.
one.
Yeah. Can you go to strategies, not indicators? Right click on the chart and go to strategies.
Oh, okay. So it's the same version, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
That you
Okay.
already.
That is good. Yeah, I think. Do I need to change the? This is by default 5-minute Heikinashi, right, Kishore?
Yeah, you can keep it Heikinashi. Yeah.
Okay. And it takes buy and sell based on top trend buy and sell.
Right. Yeah. You can use 1 hour. Yeah, it uses top trend type of say silver algo like top trend. So
Got
that's
it.
why it is always better you keep notifications for 1 hour buy and 1 hour sell.
Okay.
And whenever you receive a 1 hour buy, you can go here and put 5 minutes long only.
Oh, yeah. Yeah. Mhm. That's it, right, Kishore?
Right.
Okay.
Yeah, I think you that enable checkbox. Yeah, I think you forgot to check that
I
box.
I checked it, Kishore. Let's see again.
Maybe log out and log in once because I gave you the access. Yeah, try
Okay.
to. No, that enable session, disable that.
Yeah.
And then if you come down, you have that enable checkbox. Yeah, now apply. You say okay. Yeah, it is. Yeah, you have to log out and log in. Then you'll see the.
Okay. Yeah. I'll try that. Maybe somebody else can you can answer others' questions before that.
Yeah,
Thank you, Kishore.
sure.
Okay, sure.
Yeah, Mukesh.
Yeah, like for me, like both Replicanto and right choice advisors, both machine ID is same. And then I have a new machine. Like, is it like I already
You
have
have to you have to give vendor name different. For Replicanto, you have to use Flowbots as a vendor name.
Yeah, I even though I added, I got the same one. Can I share my screen from? I cannot share screen. Connections.
I cannot see your screen.
Oh, sorry. One second. Yeah, can you see my screen?
Yeah, I can hear.
Yeah, third-party licensing. Development.
You already gave it, right?
Yeah, I gave it. So like this is a new machine, so can I use the same?
No, for every machine you need to have a separate license.
Okay. It will regenerate the same thing, right? Even if I give.
Yeah, submit.
Yeah, it is same thing. I can paste in chat.
So is this the same ID which you gave last time?
Last time, I don't know, like that machine, but the last 4 digits will be same. Like the last name and then the 4 digits will be same.
When did you get the replicant license? Because I don't.
Like it's almost a year back probably.
Okay,
In
but
October.
so 5769 is what you used last time also.
Yeah.
5769. I don't see that.
The last name will be the same.
Modem only. Okay. Yeah, can you paste your? Did you paste it?
Yeah, I pasted it.
Copy that entire thing.
Okay. Yeah, I shared it.
Okay.
And then I'll also generate for a right choice for prism axis.
The last time it was a different machine ID, so now I
Yeah.
changed it.
Yeah, if you see, this is the same thing.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It is the same one.
Yeah, it is the same one.
Changing it. Okay. Yeah, it should work fine now. Both
Yeah.
the replicant and the prism should work fine.
Okay, I'll watch the videos and then set up. And then if I have any issues, I'll.
Sure. Yeah.
Yeah. Thank you.
Yeah. Uh,
Hello.
yeah,
Yeah,
please
hi,
go ahead.
Kishore garu.
Yeah.
So yeah, I'll share my screen once again. Uh,
You have to join as panelist.
okay. Yeah, replicant. I have a problem with the replicant only. The trades are not copying from one account to another account. Today morning, yesterday, I have uploaded the new version of replicant.
Okay. RTY still you are using September. MNQ also you are still using September. September contracts are expired now. So go to that RTY tab. Yeah, and enter RTY there. Just yeah, type RTY. Yeah, enter. Yeah, select that. So if anybody using Replicanto, make sure you go and you have to go and yeah, every month once.
Yeah, for the crude oil, it is showing me only 11th one. I mean,
Yeah, for
November.
crude oil, I think it is still good. Only this NQ, ES, NKD, RTY, YM, all these.
Okay. So while trading, while entering the tradings, we no need to select, we no need to go to search and we no need to select for the September month, the December month, right?
Right, because if you are using that one hyphen, that will take whichever has the highest volume or the latest contracts, it will take it by default. Because you are using, yeah, you are using CL1 hash, right? So that will take always the latest month.
Oh, okay. Here, if I use like a GS or CL,
Right.
it will match with this one, right? Is it
Right.
correct?
Right.
Oh, okay, okay. Because always I'm selecting from this list only. I'm not searching for here September month or December month.
Right, right. Yeah.
Okay, okay, yeah, that's it. Yeah, tomorrow I will check.
Sure. Yeah. It will work fine. Yeah. If you
Okay, thank you.
yeah, Praveen. So yeah, Praveen, which one you are missing?
Like I saw like you're using beta algo and TI2. Do I have access? So I'm just wanted to check.
Yeah, I see that you have beta access. Let me check for TI2 also. Beta. Yeah, you can log out and log in. You should be able to use them.
Okay. Okay then. Yeah. Thank you.
Yeah. Um, indicator. Okay, Praveen. Yeah, Rishi, which one you are missing? What is your ID?
Hey Kishore, good evening.
Yeah, good
So,
evening, Rishi.
yeah, I don't have beta algo. Can I share my screen?
Yeah, can you put your trading view username?
Yeah, it is Rishikesh dot underscore Vilwali. I placed on the chat.
Yeah. Mm, So you are missing beta only, right, Rishi?
Yeah, beta algo and ultimate D double confirm. So those things.
Mm, beta. Yeah, you can log out and log in. You'll have access to.
Yeah, sure. So Kishore, could I share my screen? I need some help in setting up my trading view.
Just a minute. So what is that you need?
So I'm not able to arrange the indicators on trading view. Instead of they are coming together, they are coming as in uh, different panels.
Mm, different panels. Just a minute. Let me help others and I'll get back to you.
Okay.
Sam, do you have any questions?
No, Kishore, I'm good. By mistake, I raised my hand.
Yeah. Sid, do you have any other questions? Or do you have questions? Okay. Okay.
Yeah, Kishore, this is Sam, Kishore. Hello.
Yes, and tell me.
Yeah, Kishore, can we continue to use that double confirm along with the top trend?
Yeah, yeah, right. Every indicator is useful, so it is up to you. So
Oh,
that's
okay.
why you can write the swing indicator or whichever.
Oh,
Every
yeah,
indicator
yeah.
comes with some functions, some features. So
Yes,
you
yes,
can.
yeah, correct. Yeah, yeah. Yeah,
So
double confirm also we can use, right? Sometimes it says wait and all, right? Yeah.
yeah,
Okay, okay. Yeah.
right.
Thank you.
Yeah. If I'm using only three, it doesn't mean you have to use only three. That's what I tell, right? Because
Yes, yes,
there
yeah.
are so many. I explained, right? On few days I use swing, on few days I use top trend. So
Yes,
that
yes.
I'm
Yeah.
trying to say like how to use each of them. It is up to you. You can always use a swing indicator. I thought of right sharing that range feature. So whenever it is in a range, you don't take the signals. Whenever it goes above or below the range, you can always use it. Right? That is, and also swing gear, right? Especially if members have Tradify 150K accounts, swing
Yes.
indicator also can hold the trades for just like beta, it can hold for long time. Whenever you get a buy or sell in swing, if you get a buy close to the support, then that is the best time you enter long and you can
Yes.
hold the trade for long time.
Yeah, yeah, correct. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Thank you, Kishore.
Yeah. Yeah, Amir, do you have any questions?
Yes, Kishore. Can you hear me?
Yeah, I
Hello.
can hear you, but there is also some echo, I think.
Yeah, now it's fine.